Welcome to this exceptional luxury tour home in a highly sought-after South Salem neighborhood. This quality custom-built home is ideally situated for panoramic mountain views and features top-of-the-line amenities. Heading inside, you'll discover a masterfully crafted interior with hand-hewn beams and gorgeous one-of-a-kind high-end finishes. The easy-to-use and innovative folding glass door system provides a seamless transition between the interior space and your covered view deck. From the reclaimed wood mantel to shiplap accents, no detail is overlooked. The chef's dream kitchen features quartz counters, copper accents, a large island, a hooded gas range, pantry, and custom built-in refrigerator. Entertain in the elegant dining area with a glamorous built-in hutch. Escape to the private master suite and wake up to tranquil views. Gorgeous cabinetry, dual vanities, and a tile shower create a luxurious master bath. And you'll find a conveniently located laundry room. On the upper level, the spacious bonus room is ready for get-togethers with friends and family, complete with surround sound and a beautiful wet bar. Or entertain on the covered patio with stamped concrete and surround sound. Other amenities include a fully fenced landscaped yard, AC, and a 3-car garage. Living here, you're close to shopping, restaurants, desirable South Salem schools, and have easy access to I-5. A stunning home in a fantastic location. It's all here, ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.